This is a review for a microwave grill tray Beckett. I just received it and I am going to open it up with you.
We move a lot during the year, so I really needed something lightweight and easy to carry instead of those big, bulky sandwich makers.
The packaging includes the instructions, and the sandwich maker itself. It has two clips here. The outer part is made of silicone and the inner side is two grills made of the heat wave technology.
The sandwich maker is compact, really light, and very simple to use. So you just place your toast bread inside and then fill it in with whatever you like to. My little one likes hot cheese and ham toast, so I have put onto mine cheese and ham. So then you just close it and pop it in the microwave for a few minutes. My little one likes medium browning, so I have grilled it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we need to flip it over. Just be very careful as it's sizzling hot. Use your kitchen gloves. And then just pop it in for another minute. The sandwich comes out really nice. It's toasty on the outside and the fillings are very warm and melty inside. Cleanup takes just seconds, just a quick wipe or rinse. This is perfect for busy parents like me or even office workers who want a quick hot snack without the hassle of a bulky machine.